Hi, are you struggling to keep your remote team connected? Or seeking a tool that not only streamlines your workflow but also boosts team collaboration? Don't worry, Whiteboard is an innovative solution to visualizing business processes and a perfect online tool for team collaboration on Salesforce. Whiteboard revolutionizes your planning and brainstorming with an advanced whiteboard. You can choose from a variety of templates to kickstart your ideas. Now you can customize your board easily by adding text labels, sticky notes, images, YouTube videos, checklist, and drawing pads. With Whiteboard, you can even add Salesforce objects like user, contact, customer, and more. You can also choose which display fields to show depending on your purposes. Additionally, you can also add a persona to the board. Create process maps by connecting components and navigating boards with simple zoom functions. Fully customizes your board easily with duplicate, adding or deleting a column, label editing, and changing background. Whiteboard on Salesforce has collaborative features like commenting, liking, and editing, making teamwork more seamless. After completing, you can export the board or save your template to use for the future. With Whiteboard on Salesforce, say goodbye to disjointed planning and conventional visualizing process like never before. And Whiteboard is your key to a more efficient work, which enhances team collaboration across various business scenarios. Experience the difference with Whiteboard on Salesforce and streamline your team's creativity and productivity today. Thank you for watching and follow us to discover more solutions for your business process with Whiteboard on Salesforce.